subscribe the channel. So we will start a new introduction of Adobe Photoshop editing tutorials, new interesting lecture with new shape tool and new colorization. Shape is updated here, color has been changed. You can add a new shape tool here with a new colorization. Color style is updated here. You can add another shape here to the screen with new colorization style. Draw and update new shape tool here. Select its colorization. Color will be updated to the shape tool. Adjust it into the screen.